Hello everyone, I thought I would do an update on the Ogilite Model 3. As you can see, it is road legal now. And I took it to the local landfill to get it weighed. Excuse the mess in the shop. It's been a lot of hectic work going on in the last week or so. And here's the results of the weigh scale. I'll try to focus this in a little better. As you can see, the net weight is 250 kilograms, which works out to 550 pounds. Now, as you'll be able to see, sorry for any jerkiness, but this is about the best I can do right now. Now you can see the fenders are on. I have the power vent installed. This time I used a little better vent. It's actually a, good question. Max fan, but it's the basic model, has 4 speeds, and it only exhausts air. You can see I have aluminum fenders. I haven't taken the protective wrap off yet. I'm not sure whether these are polished underneath or not. There is no tongue box yet. That's going to be the next thing I add to it. I did make this tongue longer than the Ogilite Model 2, so that it can accommodate a really big tongue box. Since this won't have a real, a galley kitchen or anything like that, I decided to make a tongue box that's going to be the same width as the front of the trailer, and I'm not sure how wide I'll make it. There's enough room for up to probably a 3-footer by 57 inches. You can see I used a swivel hitch this time. These small trailers are pretty awkward with a fixed hitch. They just are too low to the ground. One thing I did do was, eventually it's all going to be welded on and the bolts will disappear. Right now the bolts are just on there because I don't have a lot of welds on there. And on this side you can see the other fender is on, and it's pretty well the outside. I don't think I'll add any more windows, although it might be nice to have another window on this side, or maybe even the back. But the more windows you put in, the more you restrict where you can put shelving and things like that. I don't have any lights connected, but they're all working. And other than giving it a good cleaning in here, really I haven't done much. The lights are all on. There's 4 lights. They're all working. The fan works when I hook it up to the DC. Right now, with all the spray foam and the gluing of the ceiling fan in there, you can smell the off-gassing of the adhesive. So when I put it back in the shed, I'm going to leave all the windows open and the fan vent will be open too. Quite happy with the door. I think it works quite well. Another thing I like about it is the noise it makes when you close it. You can slam it closed and it works great. It also doesn't leak. I gave it the hose test the other day and no water came in. There's LED tail lights. LED marker lights on each corner. Now this trailer utilizes 12-inch wheels and tires. These are radials. They're actually rated for, I believe, 1,500 pounds each. So basically these tires can hold up 3,000 pounds. The axle, however, is a 2,000 pound axle. I didn't want to go any heavier than that, but with a 2,000 pound axle, 550 pound weight, and you've got lots of room to add whatever you want. Well, I just wanted to show that. Hope everybody's having a good day. And I'd like to, again, thanks everybody for subscribing. Maybe someday I'll get to 1,000 subscribers. All right, thanks very much for watching.